Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know how I get down and get straight to the point. I'm looking at the Suzuki. Car will not start. Car has, without anything on, it has 12.36 volts. I'm just going to show you a real simple thing you can do. This is putting a load on it. So I'm going to turn on the lights and lights only. You see how it dropped all the way down to 5? This battery doesn't have enough to start this vehicle in any shape, form, or way. Your battery needs a minimum of 12.5 volts. When you hit that key, your starter needs 9 volts. It takes 5 volts for the inside of the vehicle to run. Here's another key, simple thing about it. I took off the cells. This is a 6-cell battery. There should be acid all the way to the very top. As you can see, it is not. This battery is almost discharged and not fully discharged. So charging this up, it's just not going to be longevity whatsoever. You can charge it up, but I recommend this customer trade this battery in since it's under warranty, so I can find out why it's been drained, and then I can do a full diagnostic. But right now, this car is not going to start. Check your battery. This is a simple gizmo. I'm gonna put it in the description. It's gonna literally tell you how good your battery is, or how bad it is, or what it needs to be done. This is just a mechanic tip. This car is never going to start. It doesn't have enough juice in the battery to get the starter to crank over. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.